Welcome to the heart of modern industry, where raw power meets cutting-edge precision. What you're seeing is not just a factory. It's a testament to human ingenuity. It all begins here, with these colossal steel billets, each one a solid block of potential weighing tons. Cranes, the gentle giants of this steel jungle, gracefully lift and guide these raw materials, setting the stage for a spectacular transformation. The air hums with anticipation, a symphony of power waiting to be unleashed. Our journey takes a fiery turn as the billets enter the belly of the beast, a colossal forging furnace. Inside, temperatures soar to over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold, gray steel is reborn, glowing with an intense, cherry-red heat, pulsating like a living heart. This is where its molecular structure is softened, preparing it for the immense forces to come. It emerges from the furnace not as a simple block of metal, but as a malleable titan, ready to be shaped by incredible power. Now, witness the main event, a 10,000-ton hydraulic press, a machine of unimaginable strength, awaits. With a force that could level buildings, it descends upon the glowing steel. The impact is staggering. Sparks erupt in a brilliant, fiery cascade, a dazzling display of controlled violence. With each powerful strike, the steel groans and yields, its form compressing and elongating. What was once a simple billet is now being hammered into the recognizable, rugged shape of a heavy-duty truck axle. This is where brute force sculpts the foundation of strength. But raw power is only half the story. The true magic lies in the details. The forged axle, now cooled, enters the realm of high-tech precision. Here, computer numerical control, or CNC machines, take over. Guided by complex digital blueprints, razor-sharp cutting tools begin their intricate dance across the steel's surface. Coolant flows in a constant stream, washing away excess heat and metal shavings as the axle is milled, drilled and lathed to tolerances measured in microns. Every groove, every hole, every surface is perfected with a level of accuracy that the human eye can barely perceive. This is where engineering becomes an art form. Before it can earn its place on the road, every single axle must prove its mettle. It's time for trial by technology. A battery of robotic arms and automated sensors puts the finished piece through a series of grueling tests. We simulate the harshest conditions imaginable: extreme loads, torsional stress, and impact forces far beyond what it will ever encounter in the real world. Lasers scan its surface for microscopic imperfections, while ultrasonic waves peer deep inside its core, ensuring its internal structure is flawless. Only the strongest survive. This isn't just quality control. It's a promise of unwavering reliability. And here it is. The culmination of fire, force, and finesse. A finished truck axle, polished and perfect, gleams under the factory lights. It's more than just a component. It's a masterpiece of industrial engineering, a silent hero designed to carry the weight of our world. From a raw block of steel to this marvel of strength and precision, the transformation is complete. Now watch as it finds its purpose, seamlessly integrated into the chassis of a heavy-duty truck, ready to howl, ready to endure, ready for millions of miles on the open road. This is how strength is forged. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, from raw steel to the backbone of modern transport. If you were amazed by this process, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of manufacturing. See you next time.